ba 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 director. Man, what am I doing?
Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode here on Mr. Bell Physics. Today's a bit of a different episode than usual. I don't have any content to go over. Instead, I wanted to give something that I'm kind of calling a state of the classroom address. See, at the time that I'm recording this, the YouTube channel here is still very, very new, and I haven't really expressed in terms of, what the channel is for, how it's going to be structured, things like that. And we are also right around midterms, which means we're right around the halfway point. And I'm changing up a few things in the classroom here and there. First things first, you may have noticed behind me, the lighting is a little bit different now in here. I spent about an hour and a half after school yesterday putting up some very nice string lights. I'm really happy with how they came out all around the room. I really look forward to you guys actually being able to come in and see them for the first time. I think that it'll be a really good thing for just general kind of productivity and hopefully, just relaxation, quite frankly. I think fluorescent lights are way too harsh. I think they give people headaches. So I hope this is a nice kind of alternative, if you will. The other thing, though, is this channel, right? The purpose of this channel is to give additional help where needed. I don't know exactly where everyone's going to be at all times in all my classes. So if I can provide additional lessons through this, then that's useful. So the thing is, it's a little bit tricky in terms of making sure that I cover all of our bases here, right? See, for physics specifically, I actually teach 3 different levels, right? I teach pretty much conceptual physics to the freshmen. I teach basically a standard, we call it academic physics, to the seniors, and then an accelerated physics as well. So the videos that are currently on the channel are all very quickly made and aren't really reflective of the quality that I want the videos that really are the point of the channel to maintain, right? Like I will set up my tripod in the front of the classroom over there by the whiteboard, take 15, 20 minutes, record a video, take a thumbnail picture, upload it, call it a day. I want to be able to do a little bit more than that. It was only just yesterday that I figured out that I could use iMovie to, include transitions and stitch videos together. So full honesty, and I will admit this, I have no idea what I'm doing. I really have no idea what I'm doing with this. Which is why I do want to say that the support that I've gotten from my students so far, even if it is mostly ironic, is appreciated. I didn't expect to already have over 30 subscribers on this channel within really 2 days of uploading my first video. And even if a lot of those subscriptions are people doing it for the bit or doing it because Mr. Bell, he's a YouTuber, smash that like button, I'm just happy that people are seeing the videos, and I'm just happy that people are being notified of when the videos are coming out. So here's what you can kind of expect moving forward. Content is mostly going to be focused on physics, seeing as that is what my background is primarily in, and also even with the freshman science class, that's kind of where we're going with the new semester, right? The majority of the semester is going to be based around physics. So you can expect videos to come out hopefully somewhat soon, mainly focusing on the entire curriculum. It'll be broken up into parts. Mainly, each unit will have 3 different videos describing it, one for each level. I'll usually try to include in the title of the video which level it's describing, if that makes any sense. And I'll try to have a actual playlist and everything on the channel so that you can kind of just sit down and go through the entire course. The end goal is that all of my lessons will have a video version of them. That way, if I, randomly fall ill or get into a car accident or something like that, and, I have to call out at the absolute last second, then I could easily, reference people to the channel, say go to this video, watch it. I'll usually try to also include some example problems or some practice problems in the description, usually in the form of a publicly accessible Google Doc. I will say those may not always be available upon upload, so give me some grace with that. Allow some patience, but overall, the goal of this channel is to try to provide an alternate way of taking my class, to make sure that students are given the support that they need. Because I can recognize, I'm asking people to come in. We have a alternate day schedule here, so 90 days out of the school year, and be at 100%, and I'm not at 100% 90 days of the school year. So it's not fair for me to ask my students of that. If they need to, get that additional reinforcement later, then so be it. I don't see any problem with that. So long as they're actually doing the work to get that reinforcement. So I had to meet them in the middle. And I think this is the best and most efficient way to do that because it allows people to do things on their schedule. So that's kind of where things are going with the channel. I'm still very much so learning how all of this works and how to take videos and make them actually look good. It's my hope that I'll be able to do more hands-on demonstrations and all of that, and just really kind of up the production value of these things to be a little more comprehensive, especially with these upcoming videos. The videos I have now are all done very quickly just to make sure that they're done before midterms. And I'm hoping to even get a few more up potentially with some of the physics stuff, with some of their example problems and stuff like that, so that it's as well prepared as possible. But with the new semester comes a new opportunity for me to kind of up my game. So I am trying to learn as much as I can. So I ask my students, please be patient with me. And I appreciate you guys being on this ride with me. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a better idea in terms of where things are going with the channel. I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on notifications that when I upload a new video. And I will see you all in the next video.